The iPhone 17 comes with 8 gigabytes of unified memory, while the iPhone 17 Pro Max features 16 gigabytes. This unified memory is integrated directly with the CPU and GPU for faster access and better performance. Unlike Android devices, iPhones don't provide a direct way to check RAM usage due to Apple's security measures that protect system integrity. RAM is essential for multitasking and running AI-driven features smoothly. Since iOS doesn't provide a direct way to check RAM usage, users rely on alternative methods to monitor memory on iPhone 17 models. One common method is using third-party apps available on the App Store. Apps like Memory Monitor can display real-time RAM usage, showing active memory, cached data, and available free space. Alternatively, benchmark applications such as Geekbench or Antutu can measure RAM performance through synthetic tests. These apps provide scores for memory bandwidth, latency, and overall efficiency. For developers, Xcode provides the most detailed RAM analysis. By connecting the iPhone to a Mac, Xcode can profile memory usage, including allocation per app and system processes. As an alternative, you can check settings under General and iPhone Storage for estimates of app memory usage, although this primarily shows storage data rather than real-time RAM. Be aware that information from third-party apps can vary, and Apple continues to enhance security, which may affect these methods. Consult official Apple documentation for the most accurate guidance.